Here we have an artifact discovered in pit K8. We believe it's part of the dragon's tail. It's notable for its double twist, and the lower part of the dragon is missing from our divine tree. We wonder if this piece might fit the tree.
The tree was originally found in more than 200 fragments in 2 pits. But a digital reconstruction of it enables the new piece, once scanned in 3 dimensions, to be placed. The tree's restoration, which has lasted nearly 40 years, isn't finished yet. Even if, at first glance, the sculpture may seem complete. Yu seeks the opinion of Mr. Guo, who has worked on the puzzle since the very beginning.
In that case, we can proceed to look at the fitting situation with the divine tree.
Here, the dragon's tail is placed on the tree. It has virtually found its place again, fitted at the highest connecting point on the divine tree. That part is easy, but now new missing pieces of the puzzle appear.
This spot needs to be fixed here and here. That's the tail, see?
Feels like something's missing here, right? Here and maybe here too?
Small fragments that haven't found their place yet might help finish the puzzle.
Yeah, exactly. Now rotate it. A bit more up. If we align this, it fits. There's a nice flow in the line. Move it closer. Bring it in a bit more. Try fitting this section here. Yes, exactly. See how it together forms a really flowing line?
But quickly, the restoration expert realizes something's off.
Maybe this piece should go here, or maybe it fits directly there. Yeah, here.
The break seems to fit perfectly. If that's really the case, the dragon would have a much more balanced shape.
Yes, exactly. This bit here, it could still be adjusted, maybe rotated. Yeah, if we put this segment here.
The first time we restored it, we didn't worry about these small details. We just assembled the big pieces.
If we can make the lines flow as we turn it, everything will look more lifelike and harmonize perfectly.
Thanks to 3D technology, the dragon on the divine tree has regained its tail.